innovation, digitalization are on the agenda of the economy, of government, of their peers and competitors, it will lead to action within the organizations that are represented here.
I think it's important for all the economic people in order to get an impression what will be the development of the future.
Event like this helps to spread the word, to influence others, to share best practices, and I think the value is really altogether in sharing, learning, and exchanging.
So now after COVID, coming back, seeing people in presence again, it's much nicer as just having them online via the camera.
We want to put Luxembourg on the worldwide map so that Luxembourg is really the place to be where companies can run their business.
Aujourd'hui, ça a été vraiment la première participation de Tractel à cet événement et je recommande à tous les nouveaux participants d'y assister.